Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. The hot summers bring a lot of stress to our landscape plants, especially trees.
Here are some of the most common problems that we see this time of year.
Sunburn damage to young tree trunks and exposed branches can kill the bark and cause it to split open. When this happens, they are exposed to insects or disease problems. This can be prevented by protecting the young tree trunks and branches that are exposed to the direct sun. Use tree trunk paint or wrap to reflect the heat away from the tree bark.
Extreme sudden or prolonged heat can burn foliage that has been used to the cooler weather, especially trees with larger leaves. Some tree varieties will drop all of their older leaves that were acclimated to the cooler weather and put on new growth that will be more tolerant of the heat. This is very common with Australian bottle trees, African sumacs, and Japanese blueberries. Some native trees may drop all of their leaves to help conserve moisture and energy during extreme heat. Some plants, including citrus trees, will curl their leaves to protect them from sunburning.
Because it's so hot, you may make the mistake of watering trees too much. Lawns, flower beds, vegetable gardens, and potted plants may need water every day in the heat, but trees do not. Young trees that still have a small root system may need watering every day or every other day with 5 to 10 gallons of water. Older, more established trees have deeper roots, inches deep, and covers at least half the area under the canopy. This can be done with drip emitters or drip soaker tubing, but you must be aware of how many gallons of water you are applying. You need to apply at least 5 gallons of water for each inch of trunk diameter, dispersed evenly under the canopy of the tree.
For established trees, this should not be done every day, but should be done 1 to 3 days a week this time of year, depending on the size and type of the tree. For more information on this topic, get our free Star Notes, number 135 and number 900A at starnursery.com.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location to purchase your house call.
Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing. I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.